Today, my company, the internet was down, and luckily, I have a Starlink Gen 3 dish, which I use it for, for travel and for home occasionally. But now that my company internet's down, I really need internet. I cannot afford to not have internet for my business because we ship a lot of things out every day. Our phone is voice over IP, which uses the internet to receive calls and actually use the phone. So internet is crucial, and I don't think it's just for my business, for majority of the business now. So if we look at this, of course, this is the kickstand for my Gen 3. This is what I bought on the internet. The pipe adapter for Gen 3. This one here is from Yescom, the 20-foot telescopic telescopic flag pole. But the thing is, with the pipe adapter, it'll work, but it doesn't fit perfectly. If you see, there's a hole, and once I put them on, there's a big gap there, so I have to tighten it. It should be stable, but it just doesn't fit as well. Now I gotta tighten it first. It's a pretty big gap, so I do need to tighten it turn it on pretty much all the way in. Well, I've been turning this, and it takes a lot of tightening because the pipe is a little bit it's smaller than normal. So not smaller than normal, but it's not made for this regular pipe adapter. So even if I tighten it, it looks a little bit crooked. I don't know if you can see it, but unless I have to adjust it perfectly. But it shouldn't be a big issue here. But the main point here is not made for it. And this is what I have to do, a makeshift pole. Okay, so now I'm gonna go connect this to the to the stand, and put it up. Well, I have the 20-foot telescopic flag pole from Yescom adapter, Gen 3. I put on the car mount, and this white piece here comes with the flagpole, so I just put them in. You don't really need it, but put it in there, it fits a lot more snug. Well, as you can see, this is I would say 12 to 15 feet tall. I can go up to 20 feet if I would like to. I don't see the need for it, but it's I should move. It's temporary, it's a makeshift, so I will temporarily put it so that I don't block the handicap. Let me make it so it goes all the way maximum height. And actually the base is sturdy enough. Today it's pretty windy too, and it's holding up well. Well, right now we've got internet at the office. Well, today the company was out on the internet. I have to set up a satellite dish. It's a Gen 3 dish with the adapter and the 20-foot flagpole. It just comes 20-foot flagpole. They have it put it on the just comes tire mount, and this white pole here comes with the flagpole. So I just put it in there just to make it for a better fit. But it's holding up strong, very sturdy. And today is very windy. It's has no issue. Right now I have the flagpole up around maybe about 12 feet, roughly about 12 feet. The flagpole can go all the way up to 20 foot. So I just want to make sure there's no obstruction to the view of the Gen 3. Otherwise, the internet might be a little affected. If I need to go any further, I can of course go further, make it further high. But I think right now it should be okay. But there's some. If I go a little bit further, I think it might help a little bit. But I don't think I need it for now.